This is the new look of Mercedes-Benz dealerships. They clearly have too much on the lot. I'm guessing if you've been paying attention to any of my videos, you know that prices are high because of inflation. So it's probably a good time to wait for a car purchase. Continuation of the Mercedes-Benz dealership. Plenty of cars in stock and they're all overpriced. But they're coming up on their cargo vans. Here is the rest of the Mercedes dealership. And here is coming up is some cargo vans. If anybody is interested in doing a van conversion, that seems to be a very hot thing to do right now. Some brand new Mercedes cargo vans. These don't seem to have a price on them, but we'll take a look. I don't see a price. No, because these are ready for customization. Several to choose from.